Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. The 2025 Kawasaki W800 is not just a motorcycle, it's a time machine. A perfectly tuned, chrome-dripped tribute to an era when motorcycles were raw, elegant, and charmingly mechanical. While the modern motorcycling landscape is dominated by aggressive styling, TFT screens, and digital wizardry, the W800 stands apart like a well-tailored suit in a room full of sweats. With roots that trace all the way back to the 1966 Kawasaki W1, this latest iteration of the W800 isn't chasing trends, it's preserving heritage. But don't mistake its vintage looks for outdated tech. Kawasaki has masterfully blended retro appeal with subtle, modern engineering to create a motorcycle that feels like a classic but rides like a contemporary machine. Right off the bat, one can't help but admire the silhouette of the W800. It's a purist's delight. The round headlight, twin analog gauges, the contoured tank with knee indents, the stitched seat, the spoke wheels. Each element looks like it was pulled out of a vintage magazine. But what's especially delightful is how genuine the design feels. This isn't retro for the sake of being retro. Kawasaki didn't build this bike as a fashion statement. They built it with reverence. The bevel-driven camshaft, for example, is an unmistakable nod to the past, offering mechanical authenticity that enthusiasts instantly recognize. And those fenders, yes, they're real metal. That tank? Finished in a deep, lustrous paint that gleams under sunlight like polished piano wood. The W800 carries itself with dignity and a timeless confidence that doesn't need aggressive lines or flashy decals to be noticed. At the heart of the W800 lies a thoroughly refined 773 cubic centimeters air-cooled vertical twin engine. It's an air-cooled marvel, producing around 48 horsepower and 60 Nm of torque, perfectly tuned for relaxed, smooth cruising. This engine isn't about outright performance, it's about feel. It purrs, it pulses, it responds with character. Every twist of the throttle brings a linear surge of torque, especially delightful in the low to mid-range where most riders spend their time. It's the kind of power delivery that doesn't intimidate, it invites. You don't ride the W800 to chase top speeds, you ride it to savor the journey, the sounds, the rhythm of the ride. And speaking of sounds, the exhaust note is glorious. It's deep, classic, and utterly satisfying. Kawasaki designed the mufflers not just for performance but for tonal beauty, ensuring that the W800 doesn't just ride beautifully, it sings. Handling-wise, the 2025 W800 feels nimble yet planted. Thanks to a tubular double cradle frame and a comfortably low seat height of 790 mm, the bike is accessible and stable. It glides through city streets and feels graceful on winding country roads. The steering is neutral, and the bike leans into corners with composure. Whether you're filtering through traffic or taking a leisurely ride through the hills, the W800 maintains its poise. It's not a bike that urges you to push hard, but rather to relax and enjoy the experience. Suspension comes via 41 mm front telescopic forks and twin rear shocks, tuned for comfort over outright stiffness. Even over bumpy roads, the W800 stays composed, soaking up imperfections without any fuss. It's the kind of ride quality that perfectly complements its laid-back attitude. Modern touches are thoughtfully integrated. ABS is standard, with a 320 mm front disc and 270 mm rear disc providing confident stopping power. The classic-looking gauges hide a small digital screen offering a trip meter, odometer, and fuel gauge. You won't find traction control, ride modes, or smartphone connectivity here, and that's exactly the point. The W800 is refreshingly analog. It encourages a more intimate connection between rider and machine. No distractions, no tech overload, just the pure joy of motorcycling. And if you think this simplicity makes it less capable, think again. What the W800 lacks in gadgets, it makes up for in mechanical elegance and old-school charm. The ergonomics are spot on. The rider triangle is natural and upright. Handlebars are wide and slightly raised, offering good leverage and a relaxed riding posture. The seat is generously padded and wide enough for longer rides. Even for taller riders, the W800 doesn't feel cramped, and shorter riders will appreciate the low seat height and narrow waist that makes it easy to flat-foot at stops. It's the kind of bike that welcomes all riders, whether you're a returning enthusiast, a weekend cruiser, or someone just getting into the classic side of motorcycling. There's a humility to the W800 that's rare in this era. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone. It simply offers an honest, soulful riding experience. Visually, Kawasaki has outdone themselves with the 2025 update. Available in two stunning color options, metallic Diablo Black and Candy Fire Red, the paintwork looks deep and rich, complemented by polished engine covers, chrome accents, and perfectly finished details. The tank badge, in particular, is a work of art. Instead of flashy graphics, you get a metal Kawasaki emblem that proudly carries the brand's legacy. Even the stitching on the seat is meticulous. There's a sense that every inch of the W800 was crafted with passion, not just assembled on a factory line. It's a motorcycle you look back at every time you park it. A bike that draws conversations at gas stations and nods from riders who know what it is. Fuel economy is another plus. Despite its classic engine configuration, the W800 is impressively efficient, offering upwards of 23 to 25 km/L, depending on riding style. With a 15-liter fuel tank, you're looking at a comfortable range of over 300 kilometers, making it a capable weekend tourer. The 2025 model also benefits from minor tweaks to the ECU and fueling, offering even smoother throttle response and cleaner emissions, meeting €5+ standards without losing its old-school soul. As for pricing, the 2025 Kawasaki W800 comes in at approximately $9,999, or around PKR 32 to 34 lakhs depending on import duties and taxes. It's not cheap, but for what it offers. Heritage, mechanical refinement, and timeless design, it delivers tremendous value. This isn't a mass-market bike. It's a bike for connoisseurs. For those who appreciate authenticity over excess, and who see motorcycling not just as transportation but as an art form. In a world filled with overly complex machines, the W800 is a breath of fresh air. It reminds us why we fell in love with motorcycles in the first place. Kawasaki has also ensured that the W800 is more than just a standalone machine, it's a platform. There's a decent aftermarket community around the W800, and owners love customizing them into cafe racers, brats, or scramblers. The base design lends itself beautifully to modification, but even in stock form, it feels complete. You don't need to do anything to it, it already looks the part, rides the part, and sounds the part. But knowing you can make it your own just adds to the appeal. And that brings us to the core of the W800's charm, it connects with you emotionally. This isn't a bike you outgrow. It's not a stepping stone. It's a keeper. You don't sell a W800 to move to something faster or flashier. You keep it because it becomes a part of your life. It's the bike you ride on a quiet Sunday morning just to clear your head. The one you take out when the roads are empty and the sky is golden. The one that never lets you down and never goes out of style. It's as much a companion as it is a machine. And that's it from Bike Culture Hub. If you've enjoyed this ride through the legacy and elegance of the 2025 Kawasaki W800, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of motorcycles that matter. Whether you're into retro classics, modern powerhouses, or off-road beasts, we bring you stories that go beyond the spec sheet. Until next time, ride safe, stay curious, and remember, sometimes, going slow is the best way to truly feel the road.